Hey everyone, it's Ingram Realtor with Realty One Group Complete, your local realtor for Sacramento and Placer County. So in my last video, I shared with you the importance of becoming a pre-approved buyer. And in today's video, I'm going to explain why. Stay tuned. All right, so pre-qualification versus pre-approval, what is it? So pre-qualification, that is a general idea, very informal process of what it is you can afford when it comes to purchasing a home. This is usually based on a series of questionnaires and answers that is generated, and then out pops, okay, you qualify for X. There is sometimes a credit report that is ran. Again, this is specific to your mortgage lender or your financial institution that you are using, so you'll have to check with them to see if a credit report is ran, if it's a soft inquiry versus a hard inquiry. But most of the time, you're going to hop on your computer, fill out the questionnaire, and then you'll get some kind of generated response. It could be very quick, where you'll get pre-qualified right away. Sometimes there may be a delay, a couple days, where they're further analyzing whether or not you're pre-qualified. But again, this is just a general overview, kind of an idea, but it's based on what you are providing to them. Now, pre-approval, this is why I express to my buyers, it is important to get pre-approved because you're doing all of the work ahead of time. So in order to become pre-approved, you're going to need to submit supporting documentation. They're going to want to know your employment history. They're going to need to know your overall financial picture to get a sense of what you qualify for. This might be bank statements that you need to provide. They'll usually need your social security information, and then they are going to gather all this information together and dive in deep. There will be a hard inquiry credit report that's ran to see your overall, again, your financial picture, so they have the full idea of what it is you can afford. And then in the end, they come back and they'll tell you exactly how much you can afford because all of that work has been done ahead of time. And why this is important, it provides strength with your offer. You've already gone through the process. You've had a lender look at your financial picture, your situation. They have generated you a pre-approved letter showing on paper that you are approved for X amount of dollars on a home. They've already looked into your qualifications as far as what you can afford for a down payment. They know your credit history. They've pulled the different credit bureaus reports on your credit score. So they have that full picture to provide me, your realtor that's working with you, and that pre-approved letter has a lot more weight. It's strength with your offer. Now, if you're pre-qualified, you may have that pre-qualification letter, but there's no weight with it because they haven't done anything up front. They're still going to need to, say you submit the offer, you have your pre-qualification, say they accept that offer. Now, you have to go ahead and do all of that work that's already been done with the pre-approval. And things could change. Many times things shift during the process. Like you may have had this range thinking that you're pre-qualified for this amount, but when it gets down to the nitty-gritty, you don't really qualify. And then all of this stuff comes up and it can cause some issues. So that's why I say there's strength with a pre-approved offer versus a pre-qualification. And that'll lead me to another video of what to do and not do when you're in the midst of, say your offer is accepted and you're in the midst of purchasing a home. There's things that you do not want to do or mess with, and I'll shoot another video and share that with you. All right, so I hope you have a better overall understanding between the difference of pre-qualification versus pre-approval, and you found this video very helpful and informational regarding the two. And most importantly, you're going to go out and get pre-approved before submitting any offers on future home deals. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And any comments that you leave for me, I will be happy to respond to. If you have any further questions, of course, subscribe to my channel so you have future videos and you'll be the first to be notified when those are posted every single Monday. All right, have a great day and take care.